Hi guys, this is Prompt Engineer, and in this video we are going to look at Adobe Firefly generative fill feature, which you can use to remove objects, add objects, change the background, and much more. So we need to create an account with Adobe Firefly, and then we go to generative fill, click on generate. We need to upload an image, click on upload image of your choice. And the first thing that we're going to do is change the background. So we click on background here, and then for example we can write grassland, click on generate, and wait for the results to show up. This is a beautiful feature, and without using Photoshop you are able to do this much detailed photo editing, and that is very good, especially if you want to do something in a hurry. So we get 4 options, grasslands. Let me choose this, and if you're not satisfied with the 4 options, you can click on more to generate more images. But I'm satisfied with this. It has all the shadowings and all the detailings are perfect, so I click on keep. Next, let's draw a cat here, so we click on remove, select the space, click on insert, and for example a red cat, generate. It seamlessly creates images and blends all the surroundings to give a very coherent look for the image. Red cat, okay, this looks like a cartoon, but this looks like a real cat. This is amazing. So let's keep. Now let's change maybe perhaps the hair color of this lady. So we click on remove. We can select the brush size here. Brush, this is enough I think. So we select the area, select the entire hair, okay, increase the brush size and put everything here. Looks great. Then you can click on insert and blonde hair, generate. Just wait for the magic to happen. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So this is the new feature that you can instantly add photos and change. Even this cat has shadows and all. So this is very smart, and you can try the beta version of this Adobe Firefly. Okay, before that we can keep this. So after that's amazing. Now you can keep the changes and download the photo. So I clicked on download. We click continue, and we're downloading the photo. Let it download. We put in the downloads folder. Let's see the image. Wow. If you like to see the original image, this is the original image. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. I think that is pretty great. We have changed the hair color, we have added an animal here, and this is amazing. This is revolutionary. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.